All right, boys, so today's finally the day. We're going to start the old 240. Maybe. As long as we can, we're having some issues with the Holly talking to the computer and that kind of stuff. But we got our tuner right here, and he's going to get everything right. So we're super close here. I had problems getting on the intercooler piping and stuff, but we finally got it all on there. We put some oil in the turbos.
Yeah, you're just trying to get oil.
Getting the old turbos all primed up. A little oil going in there. Come on, where is it?
Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh.
Got the fuel pump, water pump, everything good. We got one leak in the back, but we should be all right for now. So as soon as old Dillard gets that tune going, we're ready to go. I guess the car's been down so long that the old thing's out of date, huh?
Yeah, pretty much. That's where we're at.
Yep, but she's been down for I think over a year and a half or something like that. So I guess
trying to get her figured out, man.
Yeah, you got the new firmware on there trying to download to it.
It's been updated since this car's been down.
Been down for a while, but you know, we're gonna get her. My man in here, dog.
We're here, dude. Kinda. I mean, not really. This whole leg's like not in the car.
Jesus.
ECU firmware upgrade done.
Big man in this car.
Yeah.
Bro, just get out.
Get out first, Tyler. You gotta get your big ass head out first.
He's stuck.
My goddamn!
Hey, Phil,
Why'd you even try this?
I don't know. It was a horrible idea.
come on now.
I guess you're not riding. You gonna sit like that, right?
This is hell of a ride, man.
Now we'll take the hatch lid
is
off and let
all
you
around.
sit in the back. We'll put a chair in the back for you to ride in.
Oh, man.
Damn.
That was ordeal. Fucking ready.
Hey, we got the garden hose and the pressure washer over there too, just in case.
Start up, take one. Or two, actually.
Just let everything, turn your fuel pump on, let it cycle for a minute, and water and fire it up. It's out of gear, right?
Yeah.
Right out. Right.
Should be a neutral. All right, we ready?
Yeah, go for it. feel better?
God damn, that came
And that was off the fucking Wizard too. That's awesome.
Yeah.
We didn't even set fuel pressure, did we?
Are y'all gonna do a ride around today or no?
he needs to change the oil, man. Yeah. He needs to change the oil. So we need to open up the throttle body a little more. We need to set the fuel pressure.
When we were sitting there just running it, it was at about 45.
So we need to take just a little bit out. We need to put a fuel pressure sensor on it.
Yeah, because we had that here. I got a little sensor right there. Plug wire.
Yeah, the fuel. I'm talking about to the Holly, so the Holly can know the Holly needs to know the fuel pressure.
Right. So what do I have to get the sensor and put it in line with?
Yeah, definitely before the regulator, so it can see the pressure.
It's got to be somewhere over here because that's where the plug is. It's right there.
That thing has another port on it. So what you can do, yeah, you can take this one out. You can take that out and just put the sensor in there and just plug it.
Plug it right in there.
Yeah, plug it right in. And you'll be able to watch fuel pressure on the Holly.
Damn, that went a lot smoother than I thought.
Yeah! Awesome sauce, dude.
Hell yeah.
Congratulations, bud. That's awesome.
That's fucking awesome.
Fucking awesome, dude. It fucking busted off and kept running off the rim.
How you feel?
Oh, that's such a weightless.
Sigh of relief. Woo!
Those first two cranks like were forever.
I know, dude. Same here. I was like, please, buzz.
Home.
Yep. And then you hear the fuel one try to start adjusting, man, and then it catches itself, and thank fucking God it smoothed out, hitting on all 8 right off the rip. One coolant leak, and I think we have one very small fuel leak. I mean, that really wasn't damn bad.
Yeah.
Started up so gentle. It did. Yeah, and it caught itself and like right home, bro.
You just cut on the water pump?
Hey, that was from
Yeah.
answering 5 questions on the global film.
Oh yeah, fucking. That's awesome. Just dropping the temp. See it on there? Just it's coming down real quick.
That's the cool thing about Holly.
That's gonna be awesome in the pits.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Be able to just drop the temp like that.
Oh yeah, no, I get it.
That's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, that's gonna be great.
That might be the Yeah. Yeah, you're right. You have her. Yeah.
All right, so excited that it freaking came to life, and it came to life pretty quick, faster than I thought it was going to. But we want to change the oil before we kind of go and drive it, just so because we had to drill the oil pan and put one of the turbo drains on there. So I want to make sure we get any of the excess metal shavings. So we'll change oil, change a filter, and then also got to do something about these rear tires, which are super fat. So that's it. Hope you guys are finally excited that she actually runs, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because she's going racing soon, and so is this girl. So like, subscribe, tell your friends.